Iron trades.
Okay, so we have already set ourselves up for a short. Right now, you can see that there's a zone where we're going to scale further in. We're only in one contract right now. There is two 1 minute gaps that have been outlined in orange, and the first 1 minute gap is likely a bounce zone. The second 1 minute gap is our stretch goal for profit. You can see that the purge of the previous high has been outlined up top, and the buyers are currently defending that volume shelf at the 21980 zone. So below the sort of 21970, that's where we're going to start scaling in when we're below the shelf and we have that concave hollow volume profile that you can see to the right. MACD is trending down. We are hoping to see it cross down below the midline, which looks like what's about to happen. The RSI is also basing at the 50 and starting to trend down also. So breakdown in all of these respects give us the confluence. Now we can see that breakdown's happening. Volume is also giving us confluence. You can see breaking below this level right here. Okay, we're scaling into another contract. If we move straight down to this 1 minute gap, we are going to scale one more contract, and we're going to have our stop following along. Sellers are stepping in on the DOM screen to the right, and there's our knife straight down. There's the 1 minute gap fill. We've scaled into our third contract. We're at full size right now, and we are going to follow it in. I am thinking that it's going to bounce in this zone. Unfortunately, I don't think we knife all the way down, so we're monitoring this bounce zone right now. We're going to start moving our stop loss into the break-even zone because we don't want to give this up. We don't want to watch it bounce all the way back up and take us into the red. So if this candle closes back down, we're going to move our stop loss into the top of those bodies. Looks like that's what we're going to get. We're going to move our stop loss into a single 3 contract stop loss, so we're not moving multiple lines. You can see that the hollow volume to the right should make way for sellers, but right now we are in a bounce zone. It's likely going to bounce and then start moving down further into the day, although we're approaching lunch. So we're going to strangle profit here. We're going to give it a little bit of extra leash, move it back to just break even because we do want to see if this move plays out. But it looks like sellers may not have enough steam here. If we move under this white line, we're going to scale a final contract for that last breakdown to the 1 minute gap. We actually do want to just take some profit here. Buyers are stepping in, so I think we're going to get exited, but that's okay. Exiting with profit, booking it, and we can come back to this short for the other 1 minute gap later in the session. And there we go. We've been exited in profit at the bounce zone.
Iron trades.